Sharing files and folders via OneDrive allows you to control who has access to your content and what they can do with it. Here's how to share files and folders effectively. Let us first share a file via the web interface. Open OneDrive. Navigate to the file or folder you want to share. Check the file or folder you want to share, and select Share from the contextual menu. A Send Link dialog box will appear with several options. Type the name, group, or email of the person with who you are sharing the file or folder. We will enter the email of the recipient and will write a message along with that. Then click on Send, and you will see the confirmation message. You can send a link to the file or folder via email or copy the link to share it through other means. Select the file or folder, which link you want to share. From the contextual bar, select Copy Link, and the link will be copied to clipboard, which you send through email, etc. Let us check the links on the receiving side. Open Inbox, and oops, I got nothing. Don't worry, due to security it does not accept links, so open Junk folder. And see, all these sent links are here. Mark them as these are not junk. Now let us share a file through OneDrive PC Explorer. Open the OneDrive folder. Right-click the file which you want to share. From the menu, click on Share and it will open a small window. In the first box, write the address of the recipient. If you want to write a message, you can write it here. And click on Send. If you just want to share the link with somebody else, you can copy the link here. And that's it. Thank you for being with us.